Hi, how to empty trash on your Android phone to clean your memory. We need enter to settings. In settings, swipe down and tap battery and device care. Then tap storage, and in storage we see trash, but there are two trashes, in gallery and in my files apps. To empty trash, tap My Files and tap Empty. Confirm Empty Trash, and there is no files. And if you want to delete files without trash, enter in My Files app, then tap three dots in right upper corner, and then tap Settings. In Settings, disable trash. All the files and folders in the trash will be deleted. Turn off, and your files will be deleted immediately without trash. And there is the second trash in the gallery. Tap Gallery and then Empty. Confirm Empty Trash, and our trash files were deleted. If you want to delete your photo and videos without trash, enter in your gallery app and then tap menu on the right down corner. Then tap settings, and in settings turn off trash. Confirm turn off, and our photo and videos will be deleted without trash. Also, in phone settings, in storage, we can see our free memory, we can see which files the biggest, and swipe down, we see unused apps which we can delete, and we see duplicate files and large files, and we can delete it if it is necessary. Now you know how to empty trash. If you have any questions, you can write me in comments. See other videos on the channel, subscribe to the channel. Good luck and goodbye.